Hello children, today I will teach you English literature for class 1 A, B and C. Last class we had done chapter number 1. Today I will begin with chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 of English literature class 1 A, B, C. The chapter's name is Asma's House. So I will read the chapter and then I will explain it to you and give you some question answers to do. Asma's house. This is Asma's house. It is blue. It has a garden and a small gate. This is Asma. She is 6 years old. Asma is playing in the garden. So Asma, this chapter is telling you about Asma's house and what the color is. The color is blue. And this house has a very big garden and a very small gate. Asma is a little girl. She is of 6 years old and she is playing in the garden. There is a big gulmohar tree in the garden. Look at the beautiful red flowers. An owl lives in a hole in the tree. So in that big garden, there's a big gulmohar tree. A gulmohar tree is a very big tree and it has very beautiful red color flowers. And in that tree, there's a hole over there. The owl lives in the hole. Here is Ali. Ali is Asma's little brother. He is playing with a squirrel. Ali gives a nut to the squirrel. The squirrel eats the nut. Then it runs away. Now Asma has a younger brother. His name is Ali and he loves playing with the squirrel. Every time Ali gives a nut to the squirrel and the squirrel comes to eat the nut, and that's how he plays with the squirrel, and the squirrel runs away, takes the nut and runs. Then Asma comes and asks, "Where is the squirrel?" "Look," says Asma and Ali. "It is up on the branch." So this squirrel has come down, taken the nut from Ali, played with him, and then it's gone back to the tree on the top. And it's sitting on the branch. So this is a very short chapter number 2. I have given you some question answers, children. Now once you have finished the chapter 1, I'm sure you have done chapter number 1 in your English literature book. I had told you last time that you have to make a 4-line copy for English literature, and I hope you've done it. And you had to do the question answers, word meaning, make sentences and fill in the blanks of chapter number 1. It had to be written in the copy. I hope you've done it. And now you have to do chapter number 2, Asma's house. So the question answers are here. You take a new page. Once you have taken the new page, you will write chapter 2, Asma's house, question answers. Question number 1 is, what does Asma's house have? So the answer is, answer 1 will be, it has a garden and a small gate, and then you will put a full stop. You will begin the answer with a capital letter. Always remember, you have to begin your answers with a capital letter and put the full stop or question mark. The next question is question number 2. What is Asma doing? Answer 2 will be, she is playing in the garden. So Asma is playing in the garden. Next question number 3 is, who is Ali? Ali is Asma's little brother. So that's the answer. Ali is Asma's little brother. Question number 4 is, where is the squirrel? So you have to write answer 4, it is on the tree. So these are the 4 question answers I have given you. Please do it in your copy. I'll give you 4 word meanings and make sentences. So this will be question number 1. This will be number 2. So you take a new page again and you write over there word meaning. Number 1 is beautiful. Beautiful meaning is lovely. Then number 2 is gives. Gives is to take. Number 3 is away, to go. Number 4 is nut. It is a dry fruit. So you will write a dry fruit. So this is the word meaning. I will just read it out once again. So the word beautiful is lovely, give is to take, away is to go, nut, a dry fruit. So you will take a new page and you will do the word meanings in this page. Once you have finished the word meanings, children, I will give you make sentences. There are 4 words. I am giving you the words. You can make your own sentences with those words. Then you write make sentences. So number 1 will be house. So you can make a sentence with the word house. You can write I have a big house or a small house. And you will underline the word house. Then number 2 is garden. The garden is full of roses. So you can write over here, the garden is full of roses. You can also make your own sentences. This is just I'm giving you for you to write. If you want to write my sentences, you can. Otherwise, you can make your own sentences. Then number 3 is, you can write the bird is on the tree. And you will underline the word tree. Number 4 will be blue. The sky is blue. Make very simple sentences so when the examination comes, you can remember it. The sentence has to be short and correct. You should not make a very long sentence and then it will get wrong, then it will become a problem for you. So make very simple sentences where you can remember and write in the examination. So the first word is house. I have given you house. I have a big house. Garden. The garden is full of roses. Tree. The bird is on the tree. And blue. The sky is blue. So these are the 4 words that I have given you for the make sentences. You will do number 2 and number 3 on one page. Number 2 and number 3 should be done on one page. Otherwise you can do it on separate pages also. There is no problem. So once you have done this, there are 4 fill in the blanks. So this is number 4. Fill in the blanks. Number 1 will be, there is a dash tree in Asma's garden. So what tree is there? There is a Gulmohar tree. There is a Gulmohar tree in Asma's garden. So you will write the word Gulmohar. Gulmohar. There is a tree in Asma's garden. I'll just drop this. The number 2 sentence is, the owl lives in a dash in the tree. The owl lives in a dash in the tree. So what you write over here, you'll write the word whole. Number 3 is, Asma's brother is playing with a dash. Asma's brother is playing with a dash. What is he playing with? He's playing with a squirrel. So you'll write the word squirrel. Squirrel. Underline this word. And the last one is Ali gives a dash to the squirrel. S-Q-U-I. Squirrel. So what does Ali give the squirrel? Ali gives a nut to the squirrel. So these are the 4 fill in the blanks you have to do. So for chapter number 2, Asma's house, question answers are there, word meanings,